Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about home design or home design 3D, if you will. And we are going to sneak peek into this app or into this software actually, since we need to get it inside of our computer. So what do we have here? Straight away at the moment their website looks like this pretty much. Don't worry, I'll be complaining there'll be competing with Planner 5D in the next video, so there'll be little pros and cons between each other. But straight away, what we want to do with the HomeDesign 3D. You can easily design your house, and I mean not only interior but also exterior. It's you don't definitely need any kind of education doing it, only basic Windows knowledges, such as just moving with a cursor and connecting the dots. That's literally what you really have to know to operate HomeDesign 3D. And let's start. It's something like Sims, but you are not taking care of a family. You are the family that you are taking care of, or you are the person you are taking care of, and you can really put everything on the sheet. So straight away we want to download it. So HomeDesign 3D Freemium or HomeDesign 3D Gold. Difference between those two is obviously one is paid and one is free. So we want to go with the freemium. 2D 3D edition, real-time 3D visit, object available 200. Save feature, there's no save feature. Project export import, yes. AR iOS, it is, and ads removal, no. So yeah, where do I subscribe if I want to get it? So, you can get it from Microsoft and also Steam if you have Steam. But first of all, we need to sign in. Not a member yet. We are going to register. So, email, pretty self-explanatory. Password, I'm gonna use the one that I'm country, let's go with okay. They seems to support all of the countries. Birth date, okay, just okay. I'm not gonna be confirm privacy and register. Invalid username. How? Kingistan. Okay, something like that. They asked for name, right? Username. Okay. Sorry. And I'm gonna get that okay. Register. What's wrong? They didn't match? Or special character? Okay, success. Jesus! Holy moly macaroni. Sorry, but as you can see, this one is taken. And let me rewrite that once more. And yes, I do. Please. What? How is it even possible? I don't really want to continue with I'm gonna put a timestamp over here because this is just ludicrous. Maybe finally, yes. Yes, get inspiration from other projects. Yeah, you can discover all the other projects that are in here. Dream family home, and as you can see, there are likes, there are flags, and also downloads, I believe. Okay, but I don't really want to filter by best of. Okay, but I don't really want to use any of the designs, but we can check it out. Okay, but let's go to my page. So this user doesn't have any projects yet. So my page, we have settings option. Okay, but let's go to the project. Joined August, apprentice, and let's try to download. This should be freemium, so I don't know what's happening. Let's check the offers. This worked perfectly fine before I downloaded it. Okay. There's no option for PC, like you can't really download it. Let's try Steam. And it cost $9.99. So that's something. Okay, 3D Ultimate. Okay, so they are probably what they want to do is they are not as free as you would think, or at least they are HomeDesign 3D freemium. Okay, but how you can get it? Because it's not free. Guys, this is something that you really have to buy. Okay, so it's not free. What they are trying to say. For Mac, obviously, there is freemium. Why not? HomeDesign 3D Creator Dream Home. And also, I believe you can get it in your iOS and Android. Let's try. And install it from Google account. Yeah, obviously. So we have a clear winner if we want to compare two of those at the long shot. I wanted to do a next video about it, but this seems unnecessary right now because it looks like simply we can't really use any project right now. Because this is something that, create a home dream in a few steps, draw your plans, furnish and decorate, use examples. I get it, okay, and available only iOS only, okay. I'm using it at Windows PC. So for all of you who is not really, I'm a fan of iOS, I own a couple of products, but this is something that's not really going for work for me, since you straight away have to pay $9 or $10 if you want to create a video about HomeDesign 3D, or you want to create and teach people how to design in HomeDesign 3D. That's really weird. That's really something that I never experienced before. So, on the other hand, if you want to explore something like HomeDesign 3D, but you are using an Windows PC, feel free to go to Planner 5D. This is something that I created a couple of videos about. It's really great. So you can check your projects. At the moment, it's completely for free. I have all of those projects running for me. Simply, they are even saved, guys. So you are not paying for something that you can save. Okay, it's a little bit laggy since it's downloading all the currents, but this is it. This is pretty much better version, I would say. Even the only downside that I see, which you will have problem, will be some of those, for example, like doors and glass doors. You see glass doors or room French doors. Some of the features are locked. So you see there's a little lock near this window. What that means is I can't really use it. I have to unlock premium. And if you're asking how much I should pay for premium, it's $59.99 per year. If I want to go monthly, it's $19.99 a month. Maybe if you finally decide to buy one or the other product, for example, HomeDesign 3D, I don't think that they are offering subscriptions. So you are buying the same stuff, you are buying HomeDesign 3D Gold. Okay, that was a weird voice and noise. You are buying it permanently, so it's $10 and you can keep it. Just with Planner 5D, if you want to unlock the premium features, for example, I want to go to 3D and maybe put a roof like this. This is something that it's not gonna work, because mainly with roofs there's gonna be always a problem. We can add pools, for example, inside of your house. You see, and we can turn it and twist it as we like. And this is a really Sims logic in everything. So we have a pool outside. This, as you can see, it is completely for free. I haven't paid anything, I haven't addressed my credit card, I haven't done anything. You can twist the rooms, you can create walls, you can get rid of the walls, add centimeters or inches into, for example, height of the building. So it's really big help for everyone, and it's not lagging anymore since it's already loaded up. So I strongly recommend you using Planner 5D, but if you have 10 euros to spend or to spare and you want to go with a free fall and just completely trust HomeDesign 3D, you can. Like, I mean, it's not that much money. They're offering very nice presentations, there's a VR, there is also community that you can check. Since I believe a couple of people is taking this app as some kind of a game. If it's on Steam, you see this is really someone paid a lot of attention into this one. It's very nice, as you can see. And this is industrial home, best of the week, color for exterior design. Okay, you see that someone really paid a lot of time into this one. So that's so far about HomeDesign. Obviously, I'm going to pay $10 and create another video about it. And yeah, it's very nice. I would really want to do a deep comparison between Planner 5D and HomeDesign 3D. That's really something that I would really love to do. Hopefully I'll be able to do it. today. So check the video underneath this one, underneath this video in the comments. And thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you can at least take something into consideration if you want to just do a couple of, let's say, a couple of stuff into your design or home design. You know that you should maybe go with Blender 5D since you don't have to invest any money into it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.